Think your business can compete in 2025 using yesterday's tools? Think again. AI has evolved from a nice-to-have to a non-negotiable. It's the secret weapon for slashing costs, supercharging productivity, and leaving your competition in the dust. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 AI tools you must have in your arsenal this year. Let's dive in. Number 5. Notion AI, your all-in-one productivity powerhouse. This isn't just a note-taking app anymore. Notion AI is your team's second brain. It automates meeting summaries, generates project plans, and drafts content instantly. It's the ultimate command center for getting everyone on the same page faster. Number 4. Jasper AI, your 24/7 marketing copilot. Struggling with writer's block? Jasper is here to help. This AI powerhouse crafts compelling ad copy, engaging blog posts, and viral social media content in your brand's voice. It's like having a senior copywriter on demand, freeing your team to focus on strategy. Number 3. Pictory AI, instant video content, zero editing skills. Video is king, but production is a pain. Pictory changes the game. Paste a blog URL or a script, and it magically transforms it into a professional, shareable video complete with stock footage and voiceovers. Perfect for dominating social media without a film degree. You can also use text to video, AI video editor, image to video, PPT to video, or record directly on the site. Super simple to use. Number 2. ChatGPT, the ultimate business Swiss Army knife. You know it, but are you using it to its full potential? Beyond chatting, ChatGPT can handle customer queries, brainstorm business ideas, write code, and automate reports. It's the versatile assistant that every employee wishes they had. Number 1. Zoho Zia, the central nervous system for your business. And for our number 1 spot, the big gun. Zoho Zia is an AI brain integrated directly into your entire business suite. It analyzes sales data to predict trends, automates tasks across departments, and supercharges your CRM. This is enterprise-level AI that's now accessible for businesses of all sizes. So there you have it. From boosting creativity to automating entire workflows, these 5 tools are reshaping the business landscape in 2025. The question isn't if you should use them, but which one you'll try first. So, which of these AI tools are you most excited about? Is it Jasper for marketing or Zia for analytics? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your team, and subscribe to NattyTechInsights for more insights that give you the competitive edge. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.